Hello, the students of class 7. Today we will read past tense, second part of the past continuous tense. Identity of past continuous tense. Identity, yeah, identify as you want. You can write the second part of the verb. Second form of the verb. Oh, this is, I had not written you, sorry, past indefinite tense, but it is past continuous tense. With helping verb, with the helping verb was or were plus verb की first form plus ing. This is the identity of past continuous tense, which shows the continuity of the past action. Helping verb in short HB was or were not. We use was with the singular number subject and verb with the plural number subject. Short form SUB. ओके, रूल इसके क्या है? व्हाट इज द रूल? अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस और असर्टिव सेंटेंस, इसी को असर्टिव सेंटेंस, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस या डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस या सिंपल सेंटेंस भी कहते हैं. सब्जेक्ट, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, सब्जेक्ट का सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट का OBJ फुल स्टॉप. सी द एग्जाम्पल, Ram is a singular number subject, so we use was with the singular number subject. Ram was reading in this school last year. राम इस स्कूल में पिछले साल पढ़ रहा था. दिस इज द सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट एग्जाम्पल. द बॉयज वर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट yesterday. बच्चे कल क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अफर्मेटिव declarative or assertive sentence. Now, negative sentence rules. With me, you have to write in your notebook. Negative sentence, इसके रूल्स हैं सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल सिंगुलर नंबर्स. Lalita was cooking the food last night. ललिता पिछली रात खाना बना रही थी. The players were playing football last day. खिलाड़ी पिछले दिन फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. Now, the interrogatives rule. हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल was the teacher teaching English. Question mark. Was the teacher teaching English? क्या अध्यापक अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहा था? Were the girls reading the book? क्या लड़कियां किताब भी पढ़ रही थी? Begins with WH families. WH family word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb की first form plus ing plus object. Question mark. Where were they going? वे कहाँ जा रहे थे? What was the farmer doing in his field? किसान अपने खेत में क्या काम कर रहा था? किसान अपने खेत में चार कर रहा था. These are the examples of past continuous tense, affirmative sentence. This is the rule, and these are the example of singular number subject and the plural number subject. In negative sentence, this is the rule of making the sentence of. These are the examples of negative sentence, and there is two types of interrogative sentences. One, first, which starts with the helping verb, and second, which starts with the WH family. This is the rule of helping verb begins with interrogative sentences, and these are the examples of singular number and plural number subjects. And this is the rule of begins with the WH family of the interrogative sentences, and these are the example of singular and plural numbers. Okay? Understand? अब क्लियर हो गया है? ये आपको अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है. फॉर योर होमवर्क यू हैव टू राइट near about 5 sentences, near about 5 sentences each affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. Okay? Your second part of the past tense, past continuous tense, now completed.